Imagine for a second the whole world as a quantum field of energy. Quantum because in this field isn't just one world which you know, but simultaneously an infinite number of different versions and possibilities of everything in the form of electromagnetic frequencies. In which frequency range or state of mind you are, you know by your emotions. That determines to which reality or possibilities you are tuning to. The better you feel, the more you are in tune with your source self. You are in higher frequency range, you are more energy than matter, and it's easier for you to tune to the reality in which you want to be. The worse you feel, the further you are from your inner source, you are in a lower frequency range, you are more matter than energy, and you are not able to tune to another reality. So your subjective reality, including the thoughts that come to you, is a reflection of what frequency range or state of mind you are currently in. The purpose of meditation is so that you could gradually learn to tune yourself to higher frequencies. By that, you literally learn to tune to the reality in which you want to be. People in general think that there is just one given world, so they tend to try to change that reality by manipulating others, because they think that it's impossible to feel as they want to feel without changing the environment, and it pretty much is impossible without inner change. To learn to persist in higher frequencies, regardless of the environment, is possible only by training. Gradually, you'll become more sensitive to the change of how you feel. That's why you'll learn to do conscious correction of your feeling sooner than it would manifest in a situation. By that, you'll start to acquire conscious control over your life, and your state of mind and how you act will change. Gradually, you'll remember more and more who you really are. You will build so strong confidence in your feeling that you will no longer doubt yourself, and instead of trying to achieve things by manipulation and compulsion, you'll be happily expecting them to come. You'll realize that you can change the behavior of others towards you, and even that you can arrange their wishes to be fulfilled. Why? Because in fact we are all the same consciousness that just plays a multiplayer game, because it's boring to play it just by yourself. So you can also learn different skills such as telepathy or to travel as consciousness to other worlds or realities. You will begin to feel what many of you have always known, that you are absolutely free beings for whom there are no external limitations. And now let's look at meditation. By understanding how the process works and what's going on in the body, you will build neurological hardware in your brain that will allow you to trust the process more, which will bring you better and faster results. There are several processes you can go through during meditation, and they can intertwine with each other. Which of them you experience depends on the type of meditation and your ability to relax. With training, your ability to relax will improve, which will gradually increase your sensitivity, that is, the ability to tune to higher frequencies. So the first is the relaxation process. By relaxing, your brain goes to lower brain waves, and gradually the activity of the brain and heart synchronizes into a coherent state. This will allow a greater stream of creative energy which causes various neurological and chemical changes in the body. Then the releasing process can start, in which self-limiting beliefs can be released, so you can perceive various unpleasant feelings and images. Just relax and rejoice as you go through the process of releasing various suppressed emotions and limitations which are coming to the surface, and let them go naturally. When you are cleaning up trash, you are also not afraid of it and won't run away when it starts to smell worse. So pay attention only to the feeling of confidence that it is a cleaning process and don't be afraid. And if you'll feel that you have to scream or cry, do it.
Ne bouge pas! Il est là! Ne bouge pas! Il est là!
You can also experience more gurgling, farting, pain, nausea or vomiting. Don't be afraid of it, but on the contrary, be happy that it will allow you to live a more fulfilling and happy life. Charging process. Neurons in the body communicate between each other chemically or electrically. Therefore, when you start to receive more energy from the source, you can often feel it in some parts of the body or the whole body as various electrical impulses, tingling sensations, energy waves or goosebumps. Enjoy it, because that's when you start to feel who you are. Transformational process. When you focus on what you feel, you may notice how the thoughts you receive are related to what you feel. That's why it has proven to me to not pay attention to thoughts too much, but to let yourself be guided rather by good feeling. Gradually, an idea may begin to appear too. It's the communication with your inner source which shows you what is best for you. Because your inner source also has access to information that you have temporarily forgot. It can therefore show you various visions that can help you get into very high frequencies and powerful experiences of oneness, gratitude, love and fulfillment. During this process, also your state of consciousness may change. You can, for example, begin to perceive how your awareness is detaching from your body. You can feel yourself expanding everywhere into space. That's when you are really consciously becoming more energy than matter. Don't judge and don't be afraid of any changes in perception. Just let them flow freely and be an observer. That is very important. Relax and enjoy it. It's a very healing and liberating state in which you are becoming more of your true unlimited self, because you are tuning to higher frequencies. From a neurobiological point of view, this condition manifests in your brain activity, which can increase to gamma levels. That can change the chemistry of your body, and these intense experiences of oneness, gratitude, love and fulfillment are saved in your neurons in the brain and body. This changes your personality and reality on a physical level. If you'll feel better after meditation than before, then the training was successful. Because you've exercised your ability to feel better from the inside without outside change. That's how you gradually gain control over your body, subconsciousness and your whole life. If you haven't done it already, please like the video, subscribe, and let's go check the meditations. Really? Today you will be talking?